clear, and NPP is very, very confident that in all the 3 constituencies we have an edge. And the people of all the 3 constituencies have seen the work that we have done, and they want to be with the party, and they've seen that how the NPP has been working not just in Meghalaya state but throughout the northeast. And so today, with the way the opposition is in a very, very weak position because of the situation at the national level as well as the situation within the party at the state level, we as a party, as NPP, are very, very, very confident that in this coming election, by-election that is there in 3 constituencies, NPP will sweep all the 3 constituencies. See, in politics, and especially in election, I have contested 5 elections myself. And I have realized that when you underestimate your opponent, that is when you are already on the wrong foot. So I have always believed, and I always guide and tell my candidates that never underestimate the opposition, never be overconfident. So seeing the situation, yes, we are confident that we will get through, but we are not overconfident. We will never underestimate the opposition, and we will ensure that we don't leave any stone unturned and give our full commitment to ensure that we win all the 3 seats. No, we have been very clear with all our coalition partners that as a government and as coalition partners, we respect each other, and we always will work to support each other wherever possible. But whenever there is a situation where the party's interest, the individual parties' interests are there, we will always allow those interests to be there, and we will not interfere with those. So therefore, in the case of Morankaneng, the UDP had decided that they would not field a candidate, and hence they decided to support us. And if there was a situation where we had not put up a candidate in Moplang, maybe we would have supported the UDP. So therefore, that would have happened. But as the situation unfolded, we were able to get the MDC, sitting MDC from Moplang in our party, and in this aspect, we had also communicated this to our coalition partners, and we have all together unitedly decided that yes, every party has a right to look at their own interest, but at the same time, there should also be a look towards the interest of the coalition wherever it is possible. So in those situations, today we are thankful to the UDP for having extended their support in Morankaneng constituency.